Hey guys, how are you doing today? It is Mr. Modern Financials here, coming at you with another video. If you enjoy making money online, affiliate marketing, or e-commerce, be sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a like on the video. Once again, hit that subscribe button and leave a like on the video. That way YouTube will notify you whenever I upload new money making videos and tips and tricks and anything that you want. Again, just hit the subscribe button and leave a like, and also leave a comment down below. What video do you want to see next? Let me know in the comment section so I know what content you want. In this video, guys, we're talking about 3 services that you can use to make money watching videos. Now, I'm going to preface this by saying none of these services are going to make you rich. You're not going to become a millionaire through this, but you definitely can make some extra income, some side income. I think $20 a day is very reasonable if you really put your mind to it. But again, results will vary depending on how much input and as well as market conditions and things like that. But putting all that aside, there is no doubt that you can make money watching videos, and these 3 services can help you do that. Number 1 on the list is Viggle. Now, Viggle, you watch live TV, you enjoy streaming, and then you get rewards. These rewards can be redeemed for a variety of different things, such as cash and gift cards, and things that you could use in the real world to pay your bills, to buy some things you need, right? You can see it right here. Get rewards. Redeem your perk points on your Viggle app for over 800 gift card options, prizes, or exchange your points for cash with our powerful prepaid debit card, Perk Plastic. So this is a great service, guys. You could use it to watch, again, live streaming, live TV, and you could earn this money, cash it to gift cards, or you could take it and use it on the prepaid card, as they just mentioned, the perk card. So yeah, this is a really great option. Now, when it comes to reviews, this has a 4 out of 5 stars on Google Play Store. It has a lower score on iOS, on the iPhone App Store, on the Apple App Store. So I'm not sure if it's just because there's an error in the app on the App Store. I'm not sure, but I would just check it out. I think it might just be because of, like, maybe there was a bug in it or something where it wasn't opening. I don't know, but on Google, it has great ratings. On Apple, it has meh ratings. So take that into consideration. Test it out yourself first before you put a ton of effort into it, and really look at it on the App Store if you're going to be using iOS. But if you're using Android, this is a service that has a lot of great reviews, okay? Next up is a service that I've talked about in the past. You can see I have $14 in my account right over here. You can see that, $14.12. And this service is Inbox Dollars. Now, Inbox Dollars is great because you could watch videos, you could do surveys, you could play games. They have a ton of different things. This is a service that has a lot of different options. Let's say you get tired of watching videos, you're in the mood to play some games, right? You could do that with Inbox Dollars, and I have a code that you will get a bonus with. If you use my code in the description, you will get a bonus with Inbox Dollars. A lot of these videos don't really pay a ton. As you can see, only a penny. Where you make the real money with this is that you actually could do trivia questions when you're done watching the videos. Sometimes trivia questions will pop up on the side of the screen, and when you do those trivia questions, you will earn extra cash. So this is a little bit more interactive. If you just wanted to be more passive, maybe avoid this one, but if you want something a little bit more interactive, maybe Inbox Dollars is for you. Lastly on the list, guys, is Perk TV. I've talked about it before in the past. You watch trailers on here primarily. This is primarily a place where you watch trailers for apps, for Netflix shows, for new television shows coming, new movies coming, and you earn money by doing that. This service has been around a while. It's been reviewed by a lot of people. Most people give it decent reviews. Again, you're not going to get rich off it, but it's definitely a decent option if you want to have a variety of different services, right? So maybe you sign up for all 3 of these services and you test out which one you like the most, right? So that's something for you to consider. That's something that personal preference. And yeah, that's all I wanted to say in this video. If you enjoyed it, once again, hit that subscribe button and leave a like, and I will catch you guys next time. Have a great day.